This crew cab pickup generally a joy to drive. You will find its V8 6.0L and 4-speed automatic runs like a top. Options on this vehicle include a Vortec 6000 V8 engine and a custom cloth seat trim. This vehicle won't last long. Stop in today and go for a test drive.